For my project, I made a video game. My thinking was that a learning program can't be effective if people aren't using it a lot. So by turning it into a fun, engrossing game, it'll teach people better. I used JavaScript in the p5.js library that used that same looping function as Pygame. It's just easier to use. And I tried to keep the program simple. All the user does is sign the digits. Everything else that happens is automatic. So when the game starts, you'll see that white rectangle in the middle is the user's avatar with the hand data shown on top of it. The right window shows hand position. When it's in the middle, there's the check. The four blue squares at the top show your life. And the window on the left shows the enemy information. So for this one, you have to sign 0. When you do, you see you shoot at the enemy and you don't get hit. I added those smiley faces because during user testing, people said they weren't sure if they were supposed to be shooting at the enemies. So that was my way of saying yes. And it also shows how many enemies you've hit each round. So as the game goes on, more digits get displayed, the enemies start to move faster, and they start to come from different parts of the screen. I did that to make the game more exciting as it goes on and also more challenging. So hopefully as it goes on, the user is getting better at signing and it challenges them. So now we'll see what happens when you lose all 4 of your lives. There we go, game over, and spacebar to try again. Here's one of my users testing it. You can see on the screen that he's farther along than the last demo. So all the digits are being displayed and the enemies are coming from different parts of the screen. He's really figured out the game at this point, and I think he's pretty engrossed in the experience. Here's data from user testing. The bar on the right shows the amount of time with the user's hand in the correct place. So you could see across the 3 iterations of the program that amount of time has gotten bigger and bigger, meaning that the changes I made were effective in getting the users to play the game correctly. Thank you.